Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and how to download AMD Radeon drivers. So search as it is Google search box, and guys, first link to click. Slow down. So what you want to graphic card, processor, cloud graphing, server, all select the graphic card. Okay. Then select the series. Okay. Suppose I have a 7000 series. Then 7800 and this one. Okay, others you have a difference M series, select 10,000 M series and which one. We have 6,000, 6,800 series in, and then this one. Okay, so actual, do you know what is your graphic card? Okay, you can search also from there one by one. Okay, you can search here MD like this and select this is, or select the product by the list. Okay, so this is very easy to search your graphic card and your device model number. Type here. Okay, select and then click to submit. So guys, this is separately available Windows 10, 11 and 7. Okay, and this is auto detect to and installer automatically detect your graphic card and automatically install your driver. This is so easy, but this is required to good internet in your system. Okay, and this is actual driver. Okay, and this is pro additional. So download any, like click to download and then double click to, do not fill this is not required, optional, close it. Now it is downloading. Okay, and double click to launch and next to install, then restart your system. Thank you. Otherwise, one more step I have. Right click to Windows icon, then click to driver manager. So then guys, one by one, network, right click to update driver. Okay, then try to other one and one by one, like display one by one update. So this method is so lazy, so that is very simple to download. And okay, thank you.